You gotta wear boots when you're flying in these kinds of conditions. Look at that shit out
I don't
there.
got no fucking boots.
Yeah, the rally car might just get picked up in the background.
Rally can.
Rally can. This is actually a Subaru WRX. Don't look at the back, that's not a hatchback. Dang. See how still I can hold this bitch. Getting good for spots. Canadian bandos. Looks like that guy's not at home. Let's go fly his ass. Well, we're just driving around hoping people aren't at home. We'll just fly their heads.
Oh,
This guy's home. He's got a dog too.
fuck. No fly zone.
No fly zone. Oh, it's a Rottweiler. Yeah, I'm not flying there. He's gonna roll up on us.
I wonder if he's got a Rottweiler. He can't chase us down, but his dog can.
Yeah, his dog could chase us down with him holding onto the leash.
Oh, look at that. Tree in the middle of fucking nowhere.
Rando tree.
Rando tree.
No, rando tree. It's a cornfield with a rando tree. You gotta rip the rando tree. Rando tree. Undersling a chicken to my drone. And that will be the ride of that chicken's life.
So like there's this thing here.
I'll strap the chicken to the bottom of a rooster, and then I could be like, it's natural for a chicken to be under a rooster. Hey, it's genius. PETA can't say shit. It's natural for a chicken to be under a rooster.
In there.
I haven't even been paying attention, to be completely honest. I'm kind of ripped. Now I know every time I told someone that they were born in an ugly tree and hit every stick on the way down.
That was the tree.
That was the tree.
I don't need no fucking trick button for this shit. Can I plug in?
No, hold on.
Alright.
Doing that with logging. That's what practice for sure. Okay, oh, I can do it? Can I put it in another one? You look really neat.
You can do crazy look back inverted yacht.
I already did one for him.
Fuck, man, I don't even know what's going on off the side here. No, I've heard too much to do it. Yeah, busy. Yeah, you got that shit to do. What the fuck, yeah. You have to be dialed to fucking hey!
You got that too?
Yeah, it's in my nose. Is it right here? Something? It's a bad something, right?
Come on in for a beer, bud. Where's the club, boy?
Oh, he tried it.
Oh!
How's the camera?
Oh, I'm good.
Holders. You hit the side
Give me a warning for our boxing. I'll be like,
I can't even see the gap from this direction.
I did! Oh my god! Yeah, man!
holy shit, dude.
Yeah, bud. I'm coming in for a landing. That was a blind shot, too.
Who did that?
I'm just mowing the grass here.
That was hard to believe. Fucking
or something? Yeah. One of these batteries is supposed to take me out. Yeah, takes me out. Is there better for the batteries? Okay? No. Not for these. Not for these. You have ASC in our station. I don't know if you can see those numbers. Yeah. But those are the volts. Oh yeah, right? So you're not supposed to let your battery go under a certain voltage. Otherwise you'll get stuck. So like, this fucking white battery, I fucking fucked it up a few times. And like, when you get super warm, you get yeah. What? So yeah, that's because it's a little different. Yeah. It's all crazy fucking math to do with that shit. Dude, I like math. I kept on quick to that. Oh yeah. Dude, you gotta get into this shit. Yeah, for sure. Fuck. Like to have two of the third year ripping around, you whip it. Have a little race. Really? Three guys, it was like me and him, we first started playing together. Yeah. We were like, oh, let's get some freestyle. Yeah. And he's like, fucking holy fuck, like I can see you giving it to him. Yeah, but the biggest thing, we had the lights on. Yeah. And fucking, I can imagine that looks really cool. So he just, because I haven't had a GoPro. How do you have a fucking channel? So there's little cameras on it. Oh. This. But it doesn't have memory. He actually has, because he's got better drawing, right? Yeah.
Oh,